Hey guys, and welcome to another installment of graphic design. And first and foremost, I'd like to say to all you flamers and trolls out there, if you guys have any complaints about my videos, just write them down on a $100 bill and send this to me. But anyways, let's get on with this. Today what we're probably going to be doing is we are going to be going over what I like to call the elements of design and what they would call making things look like they're not really what they are. Kind of like, oh, you photoshopped that, or oh, that's photoshopped, or oh, you put someone's face on someone else's body, that kind of thing. So yeah, what we're probably going to be doing in this case though is we're going to go to our web browser, and yeah, I'm going to go to our web browser, go to Google Images. And what we're probably going to be doing is we're probably going to put like some random celebrity's face on someone's thing. Let's think. What would be something really strange? Actually, you know what? I probably have a picture of that somewhere on here. Nah, I have a better idea. If you really want to make something that'll screw around with your friend's head, type in model. And get one of these pictures of somebody or whatever that you think would look really kind of that would really mess with a friend's head. I'm gonna take whoever this person is. I don't know who this is. Save that to my desktop. It's being kind of stupid. All right, Donna 6. Seriously, who names these things? Obviously designers and photographers aren't file extension people. Now we're gonna take somebody like, I don't know, let's think of a celebrity. Let's think between Tim Curry, Brad Pitt, Tim Burton, or Topher Grace. I think we're going to go with Tim Curry. Okay. Tim Curry. What's a really kind of strange picture for this? This'll do the job perfectly, actually. Now, I made a picture like this before, and a couple of my friends made some jokes about it. So, I mean, I don't do this on a common basis. I'm just using these as an example, and so that you can sort of work around with it and really mess with a friend's head or something. They can be like, ew, that's just weird. Yeah. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna work around with this. Get out of here, Tim Curry. Sorry, this thing takes forever to load. Yeah. So what you want to do is you want to zoom into the picture that you want to mess around with, and then you want to open the the picture of the face you want to put on it open as layers. And this process, you can do this with Photoshop or with just about almost any photo editor if you know what you're doing with it, if you know how to use it. And we just kind of want to, you know, make our brush about the size, and we just want to erase around. Oh yeah. You also want to make sure, remember to click Add Alpha Channel, because otherwise it won't be transparent, and if you're using GIMP, and that's going to not be good at all. This should be about good. Then you want to take your scaling tool, and then you want to make this pretty small. Scale that down. Get rid of some of these edges. Scale that down. Alright, now as you can see, the picture here is still a little too big, so Now at this point you want to get like a fuzzy brush right here. Remember, fuzzy brush, the fuzzy looking things. It's kind of self-explanatory, people. And you want to kind of erase around the edges of this and get this working correctly. Now, one thing you're probably going to be wondering is, well, how, do I get his face to be about the same color as the skin tone in this case? And I'm going to show you that just in a few minutes. Just be patient with it. Zoom in quite a bit for this. Yay, I see pixels! Sorry, I had to say that. Alright, now... Oh jeez, I can't believe I'm still doing this. For any of you guys who don't get this joke about why I chose Tim Curry for this one, if you guys haven't, then if you don't get the joke, then go and watch Rocky Horror Picture Show and you will get the joke. If not, then, if you don't, then your life will not be as triangular as you need it to be. That and the fact you may end up saving yourself a little bit of disturbing, or being a little less disturbed, or whatever. This looks about right. Now, at this point, the only problem we're having right here is it's a little, doesn't really blend in as well as we want it to, and there are ways to fix this. This gets a better head shape, but, what we kind of want to do now is we want to sort of scale this around just a little bit. Just about like that. Then we want to lower this down. Nah, I actually want to scale this to the side just a bit. Then we want to erase just slightly, a little bit more up here. Okay, and now as far as the face things is going, you'll be able to spot this color a lot more differently. You want to go into your colors and curves, and that would be right here. And what you want to do is you want to play around with these curves until you get something that kind of matches it. But in this case, that won't really work too well because of the fact that this is just the black and white value. So what we want to do is, in this case, go to our red and move this around. Because the levels of red are slightly different from the levels of that. We're going to try green as well. No, nothing's working with green. So we're going to keep that. Really the only things that seem to be affecting it are the alpha and the red levels. Now, we have it working right now, but it still doesn't look exactly right. So what we want to do is want to take this and smudge it a little bit using our smudge tool, which is right here, so that it sort of, the skin naturally sort of falls together, giving it a lot more of a natural look. Now, let's see how this looks zoomed out. Yeah, pretty scary, huh? Pretty weird looking. Ugh. It's creeping me out just looking at it. Okay, so this concludes the first part of the tutorial, and we're going to be moving on to the next one right about now.